Happy Trivia Tuesday. I hope you guys are checking the daily announcements. Don't forget to check each teacher announcement. Each teacher has a trivia question for you. Don't forget you want to try to get the correct answer. The first kipster from each homeroom to write the correct answer in the comments will get a great point from me, and I know from Mr. Smith as well. So be sure to answer those questions, try your best, and have fun with it. Today we are focusing on the same thing we focused on yesterday. We are still working with multiplication. We are going to multiply a multi-digit number by a two-digit number without regrouping. So still a little simple without the regrouping, but we want to make sure you have mastered or will master the steps in multiplying by a two-digit number. I hope you guys really took the practice yesterday seriously so that way today's work can be a little easier for you. We have some introduction problems. These are some larger numbers, but we're multiplying by a single digit, so it's not going to have the same steps that you'll see when we get into guided practice. But let's go ahead and set up our problem for number 1. We have 5,025 times 5. I'm going to go ahead and put my larger number at the top. 5,025. Oh, that's some sloppy handwriting. You guys got to make sure you're doing better than I am. Also, don't forget to have your paper and your pencil next to you because you are working on these problems with me. You're not just watching me do them. So I have 5,025 times 5. My 5 ones are going to go in the ones place here, and I'm simply going to start in the ones place, multiplying 5 by 5, which is 25. We should be getting much better with those math facts the more practice we do. 5 times 2. Oh, don't forget I'll regroup that 2. 5 times 5 was 25. My 5 ones go here. Those two tens are at the top in the tens place. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus those two tens give me 12. Two tens, 100 regrouped. 5 times 0 is 0. Plus that 100 gives me 1. Coming all the way over to my thousands place. 5 times 5 again is 25. I'm simply going to write 25 because there is no other digit for me to multiply by. Bringing my comma straight down or counting 3 over. 1, 2, 3 and placing my comma, knowing that I am separating my hundreds and my thousands. The product is 25,125. Let's come on over to number 2. 136,920. This is a pretty large number, so I'm going to make sure I write as clear as possible so that my digits are in the correct place. These are 4 ones. I'm going to bring those 4 ones in the ones place, drop it there. My multiplication symbol goes there, so I'm reminded what I'm doing. I'm noticing some kifters are adding. You are multiplying. We're working with multiplication. The title of our work is multiplication. I think it's being missed. Either we're guessing on our work or we're rushing through our work, and we're not writing our symbols here. Make sure you write your multiplication symbol so you're reminded throughout the problem what you were doing. All right, starting in my ones place. 4 times 0 gives me 0. 4 times 2 is going to give me 8. I have not regrouped yet. 4 times 9 is going to give me 36. Bringing my 6 here. Writing my 6 here, regrouping my 3,000s. Coming on over, 4 times 6 is 24. Plus that 3 is going to give me 27. My 7 goes here, regrouping the 2. 4 times 3 gives me 12. Plus these 2 at the top is going to give me 14. My 4 goes at the bottom. My 1 is regrouped. Coming all the way over. 4 times 1 is going to give me 4. Plus 1 gives me 5. Don't forget your comma. My comma was right here. I should bring that right down. Counting 3. 1, 2, 3. Adding my comma, separating the hundreds and the thousands. My answer is 5,407,680. All right, I'll see you at the guided practice. Guided practice is going to get more challenging. Make sure you have new paper. Sharpen that pencil if you need to, because you are going to need to do the work with me so that you have a clear understanding for when you get to the independent practice in the exit ticket.